Hi, Ranju.
Good morning. Good
Good morning.
evening. For you, good
Good
evening. Sorry.
evening. Good night.
Yeah.
So,
Uh,
how are you?
Good night. Yeah. One moment. My connection seems to be unstable. Just one moment. Let me sort it out. Okay.
Already on.
Yeah. I've sent a message saying good morning to Dilip and good evening to everybody else.
Good. Yeah, right.
Uh, yeah. I think everything seems to be all right. Share screen. Yes, that we will have to do once Dilip tells us the schedule of presentations.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
it's 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 sad about Ramon not being able to join us because his wife is unwell.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So, how are things with you? Good?
हाँ ठीक है. Life goes on.
Yeah,
We feel
right.
we feel a little bit cramped because of the not environment. Environment is quite good, but because of our not being able to enjoy the environment outside, thanks
Yeah,
to this
absolutely.
virus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. But do you manage to go once in a way out?
No, since the day our Prime Minister announced some Ghanti Bajao and whatnot, you remember that in March,
Yeah, I know. That was long back, yeah.
March 17th or
Yeah,
18th or something.
it's more than 6 months and close to 7 months.
What was that occasion? He said something, uh, some uh, some strike, not strike, some word he used for that. Whole day you will have a, you will not go out or something like that. He had some other word, not the word strike, something like that. He called it that day, and he said at 9 o'clock you will, you know, start your conch shells and bells and whatnot.
Yeah, right.
So that after that day, I've not gone out. I
Oh
remember
my
that as a
God.
sort of that I remember as a reference line. That guy's
How do
speech
you
that
manage,
day.
yeah?
Well, everything like every Sunday we have a market. Fruits and vegetables are sold by about 5 or 6 vendors in the parking lot in the basement. They have rearranged some 5 or 6 parking spots accordingly, and medicines are delivered at the gate. Big basket
Ah,
came yesterday, again delivered at the gate. Everything is at the
okay.
security gate. Nobody is allowed to come inside. Yeah. And my
Okay.
sons go out. My sons go out. They take the car out once a week or so. So
Okay.
whatever they require or some special thing, if they have to go and buy,
Hmm.
physically, which they can't get
Hmm.
on Amazon or Big Basket or something, then they go to the neighboring shopping center, not the
Okay.
mall. They have still not gone to the Oberoi Mall, which is the nearest mall
Okay.
here, 1 kilometer.
Hmm.
We are within 1 kilometer of the mall, but they have never gone to the mall. But we
Hmm.
have our what do you call it, department store or shopping,
Yeah.
not the kirana shop, the normal usual big ones with all the shelves and all that. You can walk in, and there are 4 or 5
Hmm.
such shops in the
Hi,
Gokuldham.
Dilip.
Hi, good evening.
How are
Hi,
you?
I'm
good
doing
morning.
fine. How are you guys?
Yeah, we are
Good.
okay.
So
Good
good
morning.
morning. Hmm.
So let's see who else.
Uh, uh, Dilip, I had a suggestion. Those photos you were saying now, I
Uh-huh.
taken out the photos, but what I thought was I'll just put it in the group only here
In the
of
group.
my kids and grandkids and all that.
Whichever way. See, what I've done is I'm going to present about maybe 3 or 4, 5 pages of different family members and have like a thumbnail discussion on each one of them.
No, but from I actually downloaded it now. How do I go to that? It's all
Okay, so you got it on your desktop.
yeah, it's on the desktop. So I have it to minimize it,
So
Because
no.
I'm not
What
too
you do is go
familiar with
to
this.
on the Zoom window. There's a green button which says Share Screen. It should be
Yeah.
down. There's
Share
like a
screen.
square with an arrow going
Yeah,
up.
it's a green colored one.
Yeah. So click on. Let me make sure I've allowed the participants to share.
Who's
Okay.
disable participant screen sharing?
Have I disabled it or enabled it? I've enabled it.
No, disabled it.
No, it
So
says
I can go to downloads and then take it from there.
no. Just click on share screen. Click on share screen, that button. So you will be sharing your screen. Okay.
Yeah. It's there. Zoom, cloud meeting, screen, whiteboard, iPhone, iPad.
So
correct.
go to the screen, meeting screen, and then you can, from your download folder, you can click on that. Whatever you're showing on your screen will be shown to everybody.
1 minute. Huh?
Yeah,
So
I can see it now. Okay, I can see your desktop. I can see your desktop.
I'll
So
just
go to
show
the
you one.
download.
Let me see.
Yeah,
Let me see.
there you go. Now you can click on one of them, whichever one you want.
Just see if you are able to see now.
It's loading. Yeah, I see four beautiful
Yeah.
ladies, young
Oh,
ladies,
great. Yeah.
granddaughters. That's perfect. Something like that will be perfect.
This is
What
okay,
I've
na?
done, sorry?
This is okay, na?
Oh, yeah, perfect. What I've done is I've prepared a little, like a slide presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to walk
Oh,
through that.
okay.
But it's up to you, whatever you
Yeah,
prefer.
no, this is readily available. I thought of sending it by WhatsApp to the entire group because there are some who are not participating also.
Yeah,
So here only the participants who are there, they'll be able to see.
only those who are there will see that, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but excuse me, I have a suggestion. If Dilip records this and the rest, when they are sent the link to the recording, the rest also can watch it afterwards,
The
offline.
meeting is being recorded right now. Whatever we are saying right now
That's
is being
fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah,
So
no issue.
what I will do is I'll prepare an MP4 or some format AVI and then send it out, post it on the WhatsApp group.
Right.
I see somebody else has joined.
I think Richard is coming.
Richard is joined in.
Yeah.
No, Sushil Kumar Agarwal.
Oh, welcome, Sushil.
Hi, Sushil.
I think
ब्लूटूथ था ना यहाँ पर
Yeah, I see
this
Richard is here.
This is Richard.
Hi, Richard. Where's your drink?
Hi, Anjani.
Richard, where is your cocktail?
How are you?
Yeah.
Hi, Richard.
Good evening.
Hi, Sushil.
Anjali, how are you? Anjali.
I am fine, thank you.
Sushil.
Hi. Good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Raju.
This is Niranjan. In case you can.
Niranjan, yes. Oh. Yeah, good. Dilip, how's your wife? How's madam? Bhabhi ji kaisi hai?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah.
Yeah, she's doing fine. She's doing very well. Right now she has gone out for a walk. She should be. I don't know if she'll come back in time for the meeting or not. But
Good to see all the old faces. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Richard.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Hi. All well. See. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll give. It's not yet 8
Hello,
o'clock.
madam.
So we will wait till 8 o'clock and then maybe.
Yeah.
I'm
And
hoping
maybe
more people will
another
join.
5 minutes of grace time.
I'm hoping more people will join. Yeah.
Yeah. How many people have joined now?
There's 5 of us.
5 of us. They'll come.
Yeah.
It's too early.
I suggest Sushil gives a little bit of introduction to what he has been doing since he left.
But this guy.
I let others also come here.
Okay.
Hi, Anjani. I saw your
Others
text.
will have to
Hi to
repeat.
everybody. Hi.
Hi.
How are things in Pune?
Well,
Spot. What happened? here?
weather-wise, they are good.
Yeah.
COVID-wise, not so good, I hear.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're restricted to our home, so it doesn't make a difference.
Yeah. That's
In Pune,
safer
how many
that
people-
way.
Yeah, but for this, the other
In
day,
Pune,
Bruno
we have-
told me,
In Pune, how many we have? Hello?
Started with clarity.
okay,
also
cancel.
Hello?
Yes, Sushil, you had a question? Go ahead.
In Pune, we have got Singh Madam, then Sureka, Sujata, Lime,
You know how to, how we can
Richard.
photographs?
Richard. Oh, so many people in Pune.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of people
I
in
think
Pune.
5 people are there.
I know, yeah. Quite a big number.
Hmm.
Next time when I come to Pune, I will meet everybody then.
Good, good.
Good,
We look
yeah.
forward to meeting everyone actually.
You met her,
Yeah.
Anjani.
Last time.
She had come here.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, Richard. How have you been?
Very well. This is my son-in-law.
Yeah,
Avinash.
met him.
Met him.
Last time.
Hello.
Yes, of course.
Hebo
Hello.
and Shweta. Yeah, how are you, Anjani?
All well.
Are you in Pune?
Of course.
Acha, I thought you.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Bebo.
Hello.
Hi.
How are
This
you?
is my granddaughter.
Yeah.
Hi.
Met her.
The younger one, right?
Yeah, this is the youngest, and this is Shweta. Can you see her?
Yeah.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you all?
I'm doing
How are
well.
you? How
Good
are
to see
you?
you. You know, your grandfather and I, we went to school about how long? 50 years ago?
57 years ago.
57 years ago.
Yeah, and we're still in touch. And they are just out of college and they have lost touch with their friends.
No,
Dilip, that
that's
is
not
more than a
true.
lifetime, yeah. That's more than a lifetime.
Which college did
yeah.
you go to, Shweta?
Hi, Anand.
Yeah, which college did you go to?
Hi, Anand. Hi, Nilima. How are you?
Pune.
That must be Smita Chakravarti. I see Dev Chakravarti.
Anand and
Yeah.
Nilima are there.
Smita, start your video so we can see you.
Dilip, I don't know how to attach photographs. I wanted to show you all some photographs, especially the one with Einstein.
We will take turns. We will share our screen. We have to share our screen. But,
Okay, but you solved one of my problems.
what is that?
You know, in school we learned about E equals MC squared.
Yes.
Now, yesterday you told everybody that E equals 16. So MC squared is 4. MC is 4.
No, that was Sujata's puzzle she had sent all.
Yeah.
I'm glad you can join, Anand.
I beg your pardon?
I said, I was telling Anand, I'm glad you could join.
Yeah, yeah.
But
I
I
don't
can't see Anand. I
see-
can't see Sushil.
Yeah,
cannot
I
hear
can't
you.
see
Niranjan.
Anand either. I can't see Anand and
Yeah, just hit the
Sushil also.
down
Sushil
arrow.
has disappeared.
Hit the down arrow.
Anand had some program, but he said he'll join us for a few minutes.
yeah, okay. I see Anand now.
Now
Hi,
you can
Anand.
go to, Anjani, you can go to the gallery
There he
view.
is.
Up in the right-hand corner, there's different kinds of views. Hit on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
gallery,
okay.
gallery
Yeah,
view.
okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, so you can see all of us on the same screen when you do
Right.
that. Oh, there is Smita. How are you,
Hi,
Smita?
Smita.
Hi.
Sujata.
Hi, Smita.
Hello,
How are
Smita.
Hi, Anjali. How are you?
Okay.
Hi, Anand.
So we'll give it a couple more minutes.
Where's Anand?
Yeah. Hi, Anand. Go make yourself continue.
His audio is not on.
Shweta?
It's connecting to audio. Yeah.
Let's see.
No, Anand, your audio is not on.
I have to go on some Zoom channel with some friends. Okay, 1 minute. I'll get to Usha.
Hi,
Hi,
Appu.
hi, how are you?
Hi, Appu. How are you?
Hi, Dilip. Good morning.
Hi,
there,
Appu.
no? Morning.
Oh,
Good
Appu.
morning. Let me take another screenshot. Looks like we got everybody here.
Acha, now you are saying to load some pictures, no?
Not just yet. You will get your turn. So what we will do is when it comes your turn, you share your screen and then show us pictures and then comment on them. Okay. So I think we can get started. Sampath, you want to get started? You can share your screen.
What about the others?
Others.
Okay, I'll start.
We can
Who else
start.
is going to join in?
Who? I don't know. Who else? It's not
Smita.
quite 8 o'clock. It's 1 more minute to 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But you can get
So,
started, Sampath. Yeah, go ahead.
These are my 4 granddaughters.
Yeah, who are these girls?
All 4 girls.
All in Singapore, correct?
This one and this one in Singapore. And she's Radha and her twin sister Meera. And this is Atmika and her elder sister Anushka.
Wow.
These 2 are in Chennai.
Okay.
And these 2 are in Singapore.
Lovely girls.
Pretty family, yes, pretty girls. I know you go and visit them periodically in Singapore.
Yeah.
Do your grandparents' duty.
Next breath I say, thank God we are all okay.
Okay. Anything else you wanted to present?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Take your time. Sure.
Hey, what is this? What happened here? Okay.
Sampath is sharing his window. Okay, go ahead. Oh, wow. Look at that.
These 2. This is Meera, this is Radha.
Meera and Radha, did you say?
Yeah. Meera and Radha.
Lovely.
Yeah.
They are in Singapore, correct?
Yeah. This is she's the
Anushka
eldest
and
granddaughter. She's 15 years old, Anushka, and her sister Atmika, she's 6 years old.
Yeah.
And Atika.
Atmika.
that's an unusual name.
Yeah.
Quite unique.
Same thing is coming again.
Narayan is having trouble logging in. He's having trouble with the passcode. Did anyone else have trouble?
All of them. Yeah, these are my 2 daughters and sons-in-law. The one down is Sandhya and Harish. And on the top is Divya and Hari.
Okay.
And these 2 are my daughters, Sandhya on the right and Divya on the left.
Very pretty. I think they take after Viji.
And these are me and my wife.
Yeah.
That's about all, Dilip.
Okay, well, if you can, that's good. Where you have a very pretty family. If you can stop sharing, perhaps Apu, if you want to go next.
I don't know how to get into that mode.
There is
Apu
a
and I are in the
screen
same boat.
share. There's a screen share at the bottom, but that's okay. We come back to you later. Sushil, you want to go next?
Hello?
Yeah, Sushil, you want to
No,
go
I'm
next?
not ready. I'm not ready. I'm
You're
not
not ready yet.
Not ready at all.
How about Niranjan? Ranju, you want to go next?
I don't mind.
Yeah, go ahead.
What,
Go ahead. Next.
how about giving the ladies?
This is
Dilip,
this
how
thing,
about giving a
Ramon
ladies?
Ganguly. His wife is
Ladies
not
first.
well.
Ladies, give a chance to the ladies first.
Yeah, his wife. He stays in Santa Cruz. His wife is having an attack of asthma.
Hey, Sampath, you'll have to stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop sharing.
Yeah,
your
fine,
screen.
fine.
Hello,
Okay, bye.
can anybody see me from?
Yeah, we can.
Hi, Surekha.
That is Surekha.
Yeah, we can hear you, Anand.
That is Surekha. I can't see you people properly. I can just see Dilip and Raj. Hi, Smita. How are you? Hi. I can't. Hi. Only 5 of us on the screen?
No, more than
go to
5.
the
We are
gallery
8 of
view.
us.
Go to the
Apart from
gallery
you,
view.
9 of us.
Achha, okay.
Generally, when there are
Okay.
Hi,
Okay.
Sureka. Hi, Sureka.
I got it. Hello. Hi.
Hi, Sureka.
Yeah, hello. I mean, so many people. I don't recognize so many of you people. All have changed.
You recognize me?
The names are there on the screen, Surekha.
Yeah. I'm reading the names. I'm reading the names. Help, Anjali. That's Anand Nilima is behind you.
Anand, we can't hear you.
We can't hear you. Turn on your
Audio. Turn on your audio.
Audio is not.
answer Surekha's question. Nilima is behind him, ahead of him, all around him.
Is that Nilima?
Yeah, Nilima is all around him.
Behind every successful man is a woman.
She is omnipresent in his life.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, go ahead, Niranjan, if you want to share your screen.
I thought you'd give the ladies a chance first. The 3 ladies.
Okay.
Give them the option first.
So
If
you're passing then. Okay, Anjali, you want to share your screen?
Yes, I'll do that.
Pictures are on this thing.
laptop only, no?
Laptop only. Yeah.
So he will share the screen. No? That time you can go.
Cheers, Anand.
Yeah, we can see your screen, Anjali. Your desktop.
Yeah.
Anand. Cheers.
Okay, these are my daughters.
Okay.
This is Amrita, the elder one.
Okay.
Lives just a few buildings away from me here in Pune.
Oh, how nice.
This is Namrata.
Okay.
She and her husband live in London.
Okay.
Where do you live, Anjali? Where do you live?
I'm in Pune at a place called Keshav Nagar, Mundwa, which is the other side of town, Surekha.
Mundwa, acha. Okay.
You should mention Florida.
Florida Estate, it's called.
Yeah.
But the next thing after Florida Estate is Keshav Nagar.
Absolutely.
Keshav Nagar, Mundwa. That's my Amrita. And my elder son-in-law, Hanos. That's Thea, my granddaughter, who's 20.
Okay.
And in college.
So they're all in Pune with you.
Yeah,
Close to
they
you.
are in Pune with me.
Good. So we hope to meet sometime.
Yes.
When I come back to Pune.
Where are you now?
I am in Chandigarh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because of that lockdown, I'm stuck over here since March.
Oh.
So, yeah. Let's see when I come back. Oh, that's a nice new picture.
Yeah, that's Sean, my
beautiful,
grandson, who's
Yeah.
11.
Remember we had the lunch.
And that's the granddaughter?
Me,
Yeah, granddaughter Thea and
Yeah.
grandson.
Acha. Same. Any more pictures?
Yeah,
Remember?
that's Namrata and Dhruv.
Oh,
This
they're the
was
ones in London?
right. And this was taken while they were in Pune last Diwali.
Oh, acha, acha.
And this is a more recent picture on their wedding anniversary.
Acha.
Yeah,
Neeti and Dhruv. Okay.
yeah. Well, she's actually Namrata, but because Amrita and Namrata are so similar, so we started calling her Neeti.
Okay.
Acha, acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's it from me.
Okay, then you can stop sharing,
Yeah.
Anjani.
My pictures.
Yeah, who wants to go next?
I'll
Smita,
go next.
go ahead, Smita. Please,
Smita
please
is-
go ahead.
Just Dilip.
This is my family.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, very pretty.
Oh.
My elder son Ashish, then Arjav, my husband, then myself, my grandson Dev, and my daughter-in-law Rashmi.
What's your husband's name?
Jagannath.
Jagannath. Okay.
Acha, acha.
Ashish, Arjav, Jagannath, Smita,
Yeah,
Dev, and Rashmi. Ashish is looking, why is Ashish looking so pulled down? This is Ashish, my grandson Dev, and Arjav. Arjav, yeah.
Good looking family.
Thank you. Like my husband and my grandson when he was young. Birthday from all of us. Okay. Yeah, so we were wishing happy birthday in the lockdown to somebody.
Who's going next?
Okay, that's all
Surekha,
finished.
Surekha, you want to go next?
No,
I'll
sorry,
try.
I haven't picked up.
I'll try mine.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Appu.
I'll do it next time.
Okay, fine. Appu, go ahead.
Okay.
Thomas. Share your screen.
Yeah.
Somebody with a Galaxy M10 joined, whoever that is.
Now, I picked on the photo how to share.
There's a green button which says share screen. Click on that.
Yeah. Share
Once
the
you click-
screen, huh?
Yeah, share screen, and then you can share whatever is on your desktop.
Dilip, where do you live in the States?
In Florida, near Tampa, Florida.
Yes. 2016 or 2017.
Hello, Sushil.
Hi. How are you?
Hi. You're sitting in the dark.
I want to be in the dark. I don't want to be in the limelight.
No.
But
Oh.
So we still cannot see your screen, Appu.
no, share content green one. Then
Yeah.
I press photos, is it?
Whatever you want to share, you can highlight that and then click share at the bottom. Yeah.
Nilima is asking if she can come in next. She's
Yes.
got guests.
Yeah, here we go. Now we can see it. We can see it now. Yeah, Nilima can go next.
This is my eldest sister, Dina. She is also a Zevarite.
Okay.
Two years my senior. And by her left is myself.
I recognize that. I recognize you.
Then my second sister, Roshni. And my youngest sister, Chachi.
But what is your elder sister's name?
Dina.
Dina.
Dina Cherian.
Cherian. Okay.
Veena.
Dina, D-I-N-A.
Yeah,
Okay.
because my sisters were all about there with me, so maybe they know her.
Yeah, must be knowing because she was passing out in 61 or 62, something like that. Okay. She settled in Kerala.
Okay.
And the sister by her side, that is Roshni. She was most of the time in Kerala, and she's married to a priest now. She's in Kerala. Third one is Chachi, and she's in the US. She's a grandmother now. Okay.
Okay.
So we four are there. Our parents are no more.
Okay.
Okay, you stopped sharing. So go ahead,
Then,
Nilima, you want to go next? Anand?
This is, no, I have not finished here. This is Dina again, present age. This is Dina.
You stopped sharing your screen, Apu. For some reason, you stopped sharing your screen.
Yeah.
We keep seeing your hand in front of the camera.
There is Chakna, this thing. You're what? You're from Venice.
Jata is just coming.
Take out my towel from there.
Okay, this is Dina.
Okay, we cannot see your screen. Apu, we are seeing your video, but not your screen.
It's okay. How do I mute myself?
Now you can see.
Yes, now we can see. Now we can see.
Okay. This is Dina, present age.
Okay.
Then
Back again.
Then these are
Again,
my.
We lost your screen again. I think you keep going back and forth. Yeah, you must be on an iPad. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on iPad.
Yeah, now we can see your photo. Yeah.
Okay, that's my son Anand. His wife Ruvani, she's from Sri Lanka, and their two children. Anand, Ruvani, eldest girl is Anika, and the younger one is Tara. They are settled in Australia.
Okay.
They got married in 2005 in Madras. Anand Limay and family had come for the wedding. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And they've been there from the year 2000. So about 20 years now.
Oh, wow.
Now I have to go to the next picture.
And then go back to sharing screen again.
Okay.
Oh, you know, Apu, if I can interrupt, Anand has some guests and he would like to go next now, and then we can come back to you. Then we'll come back to you.
No
So
problem,
go ahead, Anand. Go ahead, Anand. Share your screen. Hi, Nilima. Share your screen and.
Yeah, I think there are okay you're gonna share your screen. If I press.
But I think Apu has to exit his screen first.
He has. Apu is not sharing anymore.
Okay.
Right now, no one is sharing. There's a green button, Nilima and Anand, which says share screen. Click on that.
Hello, Dilip.
Just a minute, and click on that, and then you can share your desktop with us.
Hello, Dilip.
Hello.
How are you all?
Good.
Hi, Nilima.
Good.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, you can hear me or no?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, good evening to all of you. Nice seeing your faces. How are you?
Nilima, do you recognize me?
How are you?
Who's this?
Hi.
Nilima.
Rukmini.
Sushmita.
Hi. Rukmini is me.
Hi. Can
So
see me?
Sushmita nahi, abhi Smita.
Okay, obviously Smita. But I'm used to remembering you as Sushmita.
Yeah, Sushmita.
Okay. Sushmita. Hello, Sampath.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, fine. Is my picture clear? The picture is clear.
Who is next? Dilip?
Who is this? I can't even see.
Anand said he wanted to go because his guests are here, but
Call him,
apparently,
na.
are you having some trouble,
Okay,
Anand, sharing
I'll
screen?
just introduce. Okay, let me allow me. Dilip. Dilip.
We haven't finished with Appu yet. Appu has to share a few more pictures.
I'll go back to participating.
What happened? Anand is not getting through?
Anand, you're having trouble?
The audio
Okay.
is off, actually.
The audio is off. We can't hear you, Anand.
Can you see something?
Can't hear at all.
I can't
Hello.
hear Anand.
Hi.
No, we cannot hear you. Oh, okay. We see a picture now.
Okay. These are my granddaughters, Anika and Tara.
Okay.
Both are in ballet session. Okay.
Ballet. Okay.
Ballet.
Whose granddaughters were these?
Appu's.
Appu's. Okay. Where is he?
Anand is not to be seen.
This is me and my wife.
You have to again share screen. Yeah. Okay. Now.
Okay. We are in Kodaikanal. Had gone there for a holiday.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Looks very pretty.
She must be using he's allowing everybody to share the screen. You want to share now? No, we will tell.
No, wait, Richard, wait just a minute. We let Appu finish.
This is Usha.
I'm waiting for Anand to finish.
This is Usha, my wife.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it from me.
All right. Anand, you're still having trouble sharing screen?
I don't think he's hearing us.
Yeah, I think he's muted.
Yeah. Your
He's
sound
muted
card, your microphone is not working, Anand. For some reason,
There's no audio.
yeah, we cannot hear you. Can you hear us, Anand?
No.
If you want to talk, unmute and then talk.
Yeah, it's already unmuted.
Indian या घाट नाला सुपारा.
Yeah, Anand has come.
Anand?
Can't hear.
Can't hear. And Narayan was having trouble logging in. I don't know why he was having, all of us, the rest of us could log in, right?
Sujata has also not managed to log in.
She's here.
I can't see her.
She's not showing her video.
Her name is appearing, but she's not there.
She's not showing her video camera.
She's there.
Yeah.
We can't hear her also. Hi,
No, her
Sujata.
name is showing up.
Oh,
Okay,
Narayan
there's
has come.
Narayan. I see Narayan
Narayan
now.
has come.
I see
Administrator.
Narayan.
Voice, audio.
He is connecting to audio. The bandwidth is slow. The system is slow. It's connecting. So Anand, you're still having trouble?
I shared the photo.
Dilip, who's next?
Who wants to go next? Ranjit, Ranju, you want to go?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm starting with my family pics. Let me admit that I've taken quite a few old pictures. They're not of very good quality, nothing compared to what I have seen so far from my Xavier's classmates. But here goes. This first pic is my elder son, Ashwin. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear. We can see.
You can see it?
Yes.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can.
yeah.
This is Ashwin.
Okay.
Okay, this is a photograph taken on my mother's 75th birthday at Govinda in June. You can see me. This is my elder son, my wife Namrata, my younger son Vineet, and my mother. She passed away in May 2014. This is my family in the sense my mother, my two sisters, and myself. This sister Nirmala is from class of 66, 2 years junior to us from St. Xavier's. And these are my mother's grandchildren, the younger sister's daughter.
Sujata is not able to start her video.
Sorry?
Sujata is not able to start her video.
Okay.
Not able to help her. It's showing not there.
Hello.
Is it Sujata?
Hello.
Sujata? Hello, is that Sujata?
Hi. No, it is not.
Sujata.
I'm sorry. I'm Mr. Sundaresan's daughter, Sangeeta. I'm sorry I joined in your meeting. I'm just trying to help him to connect on this call. So I just wanted to let you know that I'm on the call, but I hope that's okay.
No, sure. We are meeting the family, so it's good to hear your voice, Sangeeta.
I am so sorry to barge into your meeting. I truly apologize.
Are you online?
No need for apologies, I'm sure.
No
Thank
apologies.
you so much. Thank you.
Talking to you.
Thank you so much. Likewise. Just give me a moment, please. I'm going to put myself on mute and I'm just going to get my dad on the Zoom call. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, Ranju, go ahead.
Yeah. My sister Nirmala's son, Mahesh, my elder son, my younger son, and my sister Usha's daughter. She's now married and she's got
is cutting.
Okay, this is the old picture of me with my two sons and my wife. This is on my 70th birthday in 2018. We are supposed to have a very big ritual with home and we are supposed to get married again. So second time I got married to my wife. I don't know if
but Ranju, that is normally on the 60th birthday, na?
No, हमारा 60th birthday में problem था.
You had in
we got permission from our priest to do it on the 70th. You are right.
Okay.
You are right. It's normally done on the 60th.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can share this.
But on my 60th birthday, that phase was a very bad phase for me, and I couldn't do it. Okay. This is a photograph taken last December.
Don't know how to use link.
I can get some sounds in the background.
From behind and on the phone.
This is a photograph taken last year on Alumni Day in December at our hostel. Our hostel, the nickname for our hostel is Madhouse, after a very famous book written by one of our alumni.
See the share and continue.
This is the IIT hostel.
So you picked up.
Yeah, this is IIT Hostel 4. The nickname for each
Ranju.
got a nickname.
Hello, excuse me, Ranju.
Yeah.
Anand wants to check whether his audio is okay.
Sorry.
Audio is fine.
You cannot shut them, but
Is my voice too loud?
No.
No.
No, sometimes there's a complaint from my family members that I talk too loudly. So I thought somebody is complaining about my voice being too loud.
No.
Okay. Shall I continue?
No,
Yeah,
Ranju. Excuse me, Ranju.
Yeah.
Anand wants to butt in. He's got some audio problem. He just wants to check whether we can hear him.
Talk thing.
Yeah, go ahead, Anand, say something.
Start video.
Anand, say something.
No, stop video. I cannot stop video.
What you can do is log out, get out of the meeting, log out, and then re-log in, and then try talking. Because sometimes it happens that the cross connection, so you cannot.
What are you doing?
So look at the yes, no problem. We'll go. Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Anand, you must be having trouble
Okay,
with your
Anand is going to
sound
try
card,
something else.
your microphone.
Get out of the meeting and then we'll re-log in. 1 second. See, Anand, you might.
What are you?
Ranju, go ahead.
Okay, Ranju, carry on.
Shall I go ahead? I have not heard.
Yes.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, please go ahead.
Is it?
Anand's message?
ஹேங் அப் பண்ணாத அந்த இது கேட்டோம் ஷேர்ல பண்ணி எப்படி இது பண்றது ஷேர் ஸ்கிரீன்ல ஓகே
So Niranjan, go ahead, continue with your photos.
Yeah. This photograph was taken in Kerala. You know, every year since 2011, when we had our first annual reunion in Pune. Every year, the class of 71 meets somewhere or the other in the world. This was in Kerala, in Aleppi. We went to all the other places, Kumarkom and Kochi and others. This is taken at our Aleppi hotel.
Okay.
My wife and I. Okay, this is back to this. I have to just make some slight change now. Can any of you guess who this guy is with me?
We cannot see.
You can't see his face clearly, right? This is an old photograph taken on 26th May 1995, exactly 25 years back. It was taken in Nassau in Bahamas. I spent a whole day with him and his family in the Bahamas. So I've given you a good tip now. Can you guess who he is? He's a world famous author.
Jeffrey Archer, did you say?
No. Have you heard of a British author who first went to Canada, got married there, and then
Arthur Haley?
Perfect. Who's that? Who said that?
Richard.
Perfect. Oh, congrats, Richard. You got it correctly.
No, you've spoken about him before.
I thought so. I thought I might have. He's been a good friend of. Let me tell you, he's been a good friend of mine for over the years, and I was continuing to correspond with Sheila Haley till she died about 2 years back, and now I am continuing to be in touch with Diane Haley, Arthur Haley's daughter. We are still very good sort of family friends. I'll show you my family with them. This is at their beautiful bungalow in Nassau. This is my friend Sheila Haley. I mean, she's a really good friend she used to be a friend of mine. This is of course Arthur with my younger son Vineet, and this is Diane, who is continuing to correspond with me. She stays in Napa Valley in San Francisco. Sheila, my wife, and my elder son, who was then 12 years old, Ashwin. Okay, now I'm going to show you having just one moment. Let me go back to another one. I have taken Dilip's permission to show something outside the family. Can you see a guy holding a coconut?
Yeah.
That is you.
Yeah, this is me. Can you guess where this is? This is the background.
Kandavalli ceiling.
Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. This is the Worli end. And if we have some time, I will tell you the story. Actually, the entire story is there, but it's too much to put on the chat message. The entire story is there in a Word file. I sent it to Dilip, but later on I thought that might be too long a story to put it on the chat. On 13th June 2009, we had a Pan IIT race of 4.6 kilometers one way and 4.6 kilometers back, 9.2 kilometers. And what happened was, when we were about to start the race, I was supposed to break this coconut to signal the start of the race. But because of some strict adherence to timing and all that, one of the organizers, actually the main organizer, told the guys to start, and they started running.
What you're saying.
Then there were just two of us doing walking, because I'm not allowed to run. I'm
Side by side gallery, that one.
I'm hearing some sounds in the background. I hope you guys can hear me.
Standard side by side
Sujata
gallery.
talking. She's joined.
Oh, I see.
Hari Om, I'm on. I'm joined.
I think they can see me okay.
Keep going, keep going, Ranju.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay.
Dilip, I'm here on the line.
Good, good to see you.
So what happened was, we turned up finally. I was with an alumnus from IIT Delhi, with whom I had participated in earlier in the Stanchart Mumbai Marathon and in the Varsha race at IIT. So he was a good walking companion for me. But within 10 minutes of starting walking, he had some problems, and he says, Ranju, I'm going back. You also come with me, because there are no signals on this ceiling. So if you have any problem on the way back, you could be in trouble. So I decided to continue to walk. So walk the 4.6 kilometers, and halfway through, I met the runners who had started running. I met them on the way back. And I told them that I'm going to Worli. From there, I'm taking a cab, because I've got a meeting with my bankers. So they had nothing doing. The organizer told me breakfast at 8 o'clock at the starting point. So you have to come back. You can't take a cab and run away.
No.
It was a real daring thing. When I reached the Worli end, there were some welders doing, on this railing, they were doing some welding. So one of those guys, he agreed to take my photograph, and I still had the coconut in my hand. So I did this about 9 point something kilometers walking all alone. Came back, and they were all waiting. They had the breakfast, but they were all waiting for me to break the coconut. So now I'll show you this. And my write-up which I have given on this says, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi inaugurated this Bandra Worli Sea Link and named it after Rajiv Gandhi on 30th June 2009. You can check this on Wikipedia, you will find that. But I was there on 13th June, 17 days ahead, earlier. And I will show you that picture also. This is a video, a brief video clip. I think it will take some time to load.
Thank you.
While that is loading, Anand, say something, see if your sound card is fixed. We still can't hear you. We still cannot hear you.
Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, go ahead and show the video clip.
You were able to see that video?
Yes, we saw it.
We saw it.
Okay, good. That's all. I had lots of other pics, but I thought I'd show this.
Okay, thank
you. So you have the distinction of having inaugurated the Sea Link, huh?
Yes.
So,
unofficial.
Who wants to go next? Anand, you want to try? Go ahead. At the very least, you can show us the pictures. So, Niranjan, if you can stop sharing, and Anand can start sharing.
Yeah, I'll do that. I've done that.
Okay. Go ahead and share, Anand. Share your screen. The green button.
Enna? 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 கேக்குறதா?
Babu, can you believe these people were with me in school? This lady.
No, we cannot hear you. Or...
Yes, Anand. Yeah. No, you're off screen. We can't see any this thing. I can only see Dilip. Dilip is on the main screen.
Click on the gallery view, then we can see everybody.
What's wrong? No, you're not. You're nowhere on the screen.
You can see him on the screen.
No, we can see him. Richard, he's here. I can see Anand's video.
Yeah, Anand is speaking to me. He says he's putting up some pictures. His audio is not okay.
But go ahead and share. So Anand will have to
I can't
share.
see Anand. I can't see the picture.
Oh, you have to go on the gallery view, Richard. On the upper right hand, there is a view, and then click on the gallery view.
Dilip, can you see Anand?
Yes.
We can all see him.
We can see you.
You can see him.
We can all see him. But
He's
we can't
just
see the
muted.
pictures.
That's all.
He's talking on the phone.
He's talking to Richard.
Go into the gallery.
Or now leave your phone. Leave phone level the disconnect button.
No, we're having. We cannot see your screen, Anand.
We can see your picture on the this thing at the top.
You can see him.
No picture yet. Cannot see any picture. Yeah, now you're on the main screen.
Yeah, because I spotlighted him. I spotlighted him so everybody can see.
But we still
Is
can't
that
hear
your daughter
him.
at the back?
Hear at all.
We cannot hear, but we can see you. So go ahead and share your screen. Anand.
Yeah, there is no picture. I can only see you and Nilima then.
Don't you remove his headphones from the laptop?
Yeah. Yeah, Anand, are your headphones plugged in? He's removed that. Yeah, he's removed it.
Is he on mute?
I think there's a problem with the sound card on the.
Okay, she started screen sharing
There
now.
is a message. Nilima has started. Yeah, now we can see.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see.
Dilip, that is Anand and his elder daughter.
Okay, in Australia, right?
Sonali, she's in Australia.
Yep. Okay, great.
Have you got it? Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we can see.
That's his
his
granddaughter.
Where is Nilima?
This is his second daughter's daughter, Dipali's daughter. What's her name? Nandini.
Nandini. Okay. Very pretty.
Acha, Dipali lives at Pune, close to Anand.
Put your phone on speaker and put it over here.
Okay.
Oldest granddaughter. Okay. Dilip, yeah, this is Anand's oldest granddaughter in Australia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Her name is Shreya.
Shreya.
Pretty girl. Very pretty.
She is 19 as of today. So
Oh,
wish her a
wow.
very happy birthday on our behalf.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shreyas. Happy birthday, Shreyas.
She's at the university in Sydney.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know a professor from there, Pratibha Nagabhushan. She's on my IUCE
Okay.
committee,
So
Sydney.
the three girls you see on screen are the one in Sydney is what's her name?
Shreya.
Extreme
Shreya.
left is Shreya. Middle is Nandini.
Now they say side by
On the
side
extreme
gallery,
right,
that one or
waving on to
standard?
her is Anushka. Have you all got it?
Yes,
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
yes, we saw it.
Huh?
Oh.
This is
Done.
the one is with his younger daughter, Deepali.
Dipali. Yeah.
Dipali,
Okay, Rahul.
yeah,
I can see everything now. Okay.
very pretty.
She's Niliman Anand. Yeah.
So unfortunately, this is Anand with his only wife.
Only wife. One and only.
That's a changed
She's going to
person.
kill you, Anand. She's going to kill you.
Nilima,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can't recognize you. Remember only in school days.
Nilima is so changed.
Yeah.
She's such a changed person.
Thanks
Yeah.
to Anand.
She looks like
Anand,
a
all
mom.
of us are grey except you. Okay, this is Anand doing his modeling. He's at a
Yeah.
shoot.
What ad is that? Ask him, Richard.
I beg your pardon?
Ask him for which ad he's posing.
Which ad?
Yeah, which ad are you posing for? Okay, okay. He doesn't remember because he's done more than a dozen ads, I believe. And,
Oh, okay.
They use the same photograph for different ads.
For the
Oh.
Volkswagen Beetle. It's for the
Yeah.
Volkswagen Beetle.
Okay. 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 They have his picture in the photo bank and they all selected from the studio.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But okay. So they all pay you for it, I hope. He's not answering that question. I asked you if they're all paying you separately.
He gets paid handsomely,
Are they
Richard.
all paying you separately? Paying. Compensating you. Compensating you. Okay,
Yes,
only
last-
the studio pays him once. After that, it is at their choice, yes. Yeah, it's the studio property. Okay, that's Anand with his son-in-law, elder son-in-law, who's in Australia.
Mhm.
Okay, okay.
Name is Abhijit.
Abhijit, yeah.
Yeah. Abhijit, yes. So this is Anand with his daughter Deepali, is it? Sonali.
Sonali.
Sonali in Australia with their children Anushka and
Shreya.
Shreya and his son-in-law, Abhijit.
Very pretty.
Yeah, that's Sonali and her husband, Abhijit. I don't think you should repeat Abhijit all the time because she is one husband, no? Yeah.
That's Deepali.
The guy in front in the green shirt is his younger son-in-law, Manoj.
Okay.
Nilima and Deepali. I can't see Deepali because the pictures are blocking the view. Yeah, the old man is behind them. The colonel. Lieutenant Colonel or Colonel?
Colonel.
Colonel. Okay. Which is those are all the girls in his life.
Lucky guy.
Yeah, Anushka is in front. Okay, with the doll or teddy bear or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Are they at Pavilion Mall? This is
Looks like it.
Pavilion Mall in Pune.
Yeah, looks like it.
Is that the one next to the Marriott?
Okay. So they had come to India for a few days in December, January. Yeah, that's all the photos he's showing us tonight.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay.
That's good.
Thanks,
You're
thanks, Anand.
very pretty family,
He's
Anand.
sorry
Thank
you all can't hear his melodious voice. Others you'd have sung for us.
Okay,
Next
so
time.
Anand, if we can stop sharing, then we'll go to the next person. Who wants to go next?
Can you hear Dilip?
Narayan, you want to go next? Yeah, go ahead. Go next.
Okay, okay.
So
Anand is
you-
switching off now.
Yeah, you have to stop sharing.
Okay, Anand.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, Narayan, go ahead. You can, first you have to unmute yourself.
Again? Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you now. Go ahead and share your screen, Narayan.
Yeah.
Anand is still there. Sushmita is here.
Where do you live, Sampath?
Andheri West. What about you? Are you in Juhu, Sushmita?
Yeah, you.
Click on the green button for share screen.
Hi. You got it?
Hi.
No, you're not sharing your screen just yet. You have to hit the green button and then say OK.
Where's the green button?
Down at the bottom, there should be a green button. It says share screen. No? We did that a couple of days ago, Narayan.
Yeah.
Dilip, where is your family?
I'm waiting to share, but we'll finish with Narayan. Then
Did you see the slides?
no, you're not sharing your screen yet.
Share screen पहला करो.
Yeah, share screen.
Okay,
That's what we practiced a few days ago. No?
Share screen किधर है?
No, you're not sharing your screen for some reason.
Share screen.
Yeah, and then when the window opens up, you say OK.
Where is it? Where is it?
के PowerPoint है.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I had to say okay. Where is the
Okay surrounded. Click பண்ணா போறோம். PowerPoint. Click. F5 now.
How is it going?
Just the same steps we did last time. Just follow those.
How you got it?
No, we are seeing your video, but not your screen. You're not sharing your screen yet.
Sushmita, what about your house in Sarojini Road? Is it still there?
Not Sarojini, Lajpat Rai Road.
Lajpat Rai Road. Lajpat Rai Road.
No, it's not there.
Achha.
Are you having
And,
trouble? Narayan, are you having trouble?
Yeah, some problem is there with the laptop, I think. You ask somebody, next participant. In the meantime, I'll just figure it out.
Yeah, Radhika, you want to go next?
She is muted.
Yeah.
Dilip, why don't you do it?
Okay.
Just go ahead.
So I'm going to share my screen, okay? Let me know if you can see it.
पूरा बंद हो जाएगा.
You should be able to see my screen now.
Yeah, we see Kanchenjunga. Okay.
That's okay. So you put it on a slideshow. You can see all this stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll just take a few minutes and talk about our family.
It comes on top actually. The view.
So first I want to talk about Neelam. She's our family's North Star and love of my life.
Wow.
Side by side.
So there's Neelam back in 1974.
No.
And this is Neelam now. Okay, next we want to talk about Sujit and Tracy. Sujit is our older son. He's 44. Currently, he's Vice Chancellor at the University of North Carolina in Charlotte, UNCC. So that's Sujit right there.
Okay.
And his wife, Tracy, she's a librarian in the Charlotte Public Library. So that's Tracy. Okay. Next is our younger son, Vijay, and his wife, Jenny. So Vijay, he's 39. He doesn't like to work for anybody. So he's an entrepreneur. He started and built up and sold 2 .com companies. So he starts a .com startup, works on it. Maybe he'll hire about 50 to 100 people, build it up, improve the value, and then sell it. So he has done that twice. Right now, he's acting as a consultant for tech companies. Right now he's working with Symantec and others. So they send him problems, he solves them, and he charges them by the hour. So that's Vijay. He lives in Seattle, Washington. That's his wife, Dr. Jenny Wang. She's a doctor. She's a licensed psychotherapist. She has a PhD in psychoanalysis, and she's in private practice in Seattle, Washington. That's Jenny. And then finally, Rohan, Riley, Ravi, and Leela. These are our grandkids. Now, some of y'all might remember Lata Mangeshkar had a song way back when. It was one of the Bhav Geets. It says, Ghrata hasre tare asta mi pahu kashala nabhakade. Right? Remember that?
Marathi
So the
song.
translation is, when there are smiling stars at home, why should I look to the sky? So this is Rohan. He's 16 years old. He's in the 9th standard. He lives in Charlotte, North Carolina with his parents, of course. This is his younger sister, Riley. She's in the 3rd standard. She's 8 years old. Then the next is Ravi. He's also 8. They're like about a month apart. Vijay's son, and they live in Seattle. He's in the 3rd grade. That's Ravi. And last but not the least, in Marathi we call it Shendefar. Shendefar means the last of the breed. That's Leela. She's 5, and she's in kindergarten.
Oh, cute.
Very sweet family.
And well, that's all I had. So here's to your health and to our friendship.
Thank you. Oh, well prepared, Dilip.
This picture was taken in Vile Parle. To my left is Parle Tilak Vidyalaya High School.
Yeah.
This one in our guest bedroom.
Yeah, this is in your apartment, I think.
Yeah, this is in our flat in Vile Parle. Yeah. You've been there, Sampath, and some of you all have been there. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful place.
Okay, that's all I had. So I'm going to stop sharing and maybe someone else can share.
Yeah, Dilip, can I come on?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, please.
Richard,
please.
Richard.
Go ahead, Richard.
Yeah. Yeah, Colin. So, like I said, this is my son-in-law Avinash.
Hi, Avinash.
Yeah, hi. Dilip Chiburkar. We were in class together. He still looks as good as new.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, 57 years ago. Yeah. This is my daughter.
Hello. Yeah, we
She's
saw her
Madhu.
earlier.
Yeah, that's Madhu. And my grandchildren will be butting in from the back.
Hi.
This is Shweta. This one is Tanishka, and that is, and the one in white is Aisha.
Aisha.
Yeah, you can see all of us now.
Yeah,
And
I
I'm not going to
spotlighted
show
you.
you any
Go
other
ahead.
pictures because the pictures also have only them.
Okay.
You're sharing all live pictures.
But then the next time I'll show you our gatherings, our Christmas and New Year, whatever parties we have, I'll show you pictures of those.
Very pretty.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Beautiful family.
This is my grandmother. She's the life of the party.
Nice pictures.
Yes,
Yeah.
very nice.
And where?
Nice, Sujata.
No, let Aisha say.
Yeah.
Yes, Sujata and Anjani, I have seen them. Sujata and Anjani, you have not met Aisha. You have
No,
met,
we didn't.
You have met
Yeah.
Shweta and Tanishka.
Right.
Hi, good evening.
Hi. Hi.
Very nice. Very nice.
Who is that? Yeah, that is Madhu. Both of you all have met Madhu. The three of you. Even Nilima has met Madhu.
That's true. Anand as well. Hello, Sujata.
Also live in Pune?
Yeah, we all live in Pune.
Yes.
Oh, where do you live in Pune, Richard?
Yeah, they are living close to you. They were living close to you at Tarabai Park, but
Yeah,
now
you
they are
told
at Vrindavan Heights
Amanora.
at Amanora.
Okay.
Yeah. When the lockdown started, Aisha and Shweta were with me.
And now you moved to Amanora?
No.
Oh, they
I'm
are
at
with
my
you.
place at Kubera
Okay,
Park.
they're all with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Next time I come to Pune, I want to meet all of you all. A couple of
You're
years ago,
always welcome.
I met Richard at the hotel. Remember that? Richard, you and Anand and Nilima. We
Yes,
met.
I remember that.
That's
Was it
Manoj's
Manoj?
hotel. Manoj used to run that hotel, right? Anand's son-in-law used to run that hotel. Wonderful. Great family.
So we hope to see you.
Yeah. Sujata, you want to go next?
Yeah, see you all. See you
Sujata,
guys.
see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sujata seems to be having some problem. She tried
Oh.
calling me, but I can't connect with her on WhatsApp.
Okay. So let's see. Who wants to go next?
She sent me a text saying extremely poor internet. Sorry,
Oh,
next time.
Okay.
Feeling bad.
Okay. What about Sureka?
I'm sorry, I'm not prepared for it at all. I'm tied up.
Maybe next time, Sureka.
What about
Next-
Rukmani?
Next
Yeah,
time.
Rukmini, you go next. You want to go,
Your
Rukmini?
photos, Rukmani?
Yes, I will do. Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Good
I've been
evening.
hearing to all everybody. See, I was very happy to see the pictures, entire families, which is possible only now looking through the video call. Nice feeling. I felt very nice. And now I have only 3 persons in my house to show you. My daughter and family are away. I have 6 grandchildren. My eldest grandson is with me. I will show you. I just introduce him.
Hello.
He's 19 years old.
Hello. Good to see you.
He's doing what is it?
I'm doing bachelor's in product design.
Product
Excellent.
design.
Which university? Where are you going to school? Which university?
Yeah, I'm studying in Vishwakarma University in Pune right now.
I know exactly where that is because I went there in January. I was there. I was in Vishwakarma in January.
Wow. Do you live in Pune?
No. I belong to an organization. We visit various universities. So we went to Vishwakarma University.
Okay.
In Pune.
Next time you come, I'll be there.
It's a nice university with good campus.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
And this is my husband, Mr. Venkat Raman.
Yeah, we met him in Dilip's house. Hi, Venkat.
Yeah, we have met. How are you, sir? Nice to see you again.
Yeah, I met him.
My husband.
Yeah.
Dilip not seen him. Others haven't seen. He was working for Tata Power as the company secretary and legal advisor. Yeah. Now he is retired. He's on his own. He's an advisor for corporate laws and all that.
Okay.
Now we are having a nice, sweet, retired life with our grandchildren. And my son, I have already, I think I uploaded the photograph of son, his wife, and the only child.
Yeah.
And he has a website, and Ganesh Venkatraman, online actor. You can see that, you'll get a full picture of what he is doing. All the interviews and his speeches, you can have a look at that. So I think that is a shortcut to introduce my son.
Yeah.
Next time, it's
yesterday I was seeing a movie of his.
Right now, I don't have him. Yeah.
Yesterday I saw a movie of his, the story, my story.
Yeah. So, hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Who else is going? Who else is left?
Where is that Sushil Agarwal disappeared?
No, he telephoned me. He said he had some work, so he left.
Oh, okay. So let me take one last screenshot with everybody on there.
But I can't see everybody.
Put it in the gallery view.
Gallery, yeah.
Go in the upper right hand, click on the view and then choose gallery view.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. All right. Anything else? It was a nice meeting everybody.
Yes, it was lovely meeting
I
family
hope
members.
I hope more people can join in.
Well, no, hopefully next time more people will join in. This is normal. You know, some people can come in. Lorna couldn't make it. Kenneth couldn't make it. So
Gautam couldn't.
Gautam couldn't make it. Ramon had to drop off at the last minute. I hope his wife is doing well, Nilima.
Yeah, she has got asthma problem.
Yeah. You wanted to say something, Narayan?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Now I can join.
You want to share your screen? Or,
Yep.
Go ahead.
So you just guide me, huh? My computer is giving me a lot of trouble today.
Okay, so click on the green share screen button down. It should be down below.
Yeah, 1 minute, yeah.
Click on that.
Yeah, share screen, click.
And
Open.
then open, and it should start.
Then I will open my PowerPoint, right?
Yeah, but you're still not sharing your screen. There is one step you're not doing. I'm not sure which one it is.
That is what I'm wondering, how it is. Where do...
Let me show you how I share my screen. Perhaps that might help, okay? So I'm going to share my screen. And see, this is the applet which should open up first. And then you can share whatever you want from your desktop. Okay. So when you hit the green button, what happens first? You should get there should be a window which opens up, and that'll then you can click on that on the right hand side. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. You're still having trouble sharing screen, Sundaresh Narayan?
Yeah, wait. You said after clicking the share screen, you have to OK it. Where is that OK button?
There's a window which opens up. Go to the bottom right of that window.
Okay.
So hit the share screen. Go to the bottom right of that window.
One sec. I'll hit the share screen. Yeah. there share करके आता है वही है क्या?
Yeah, there. That's where you click.
Yeah, there. Now open the PowerPoint, right?
Okay.
Yeah, now you're sharing your screen. Now open your, perfect. You got it. That's what we did last time.
Yeah, just better. I'm young, no? भूल जाता
This is our family, Lalita and Sundaresan. Perfect.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
You can read, right?
Yeah, my gorgeous wife.
It's gorgeous.
You can read and see. Gorgeous.
He is beside me. My gorgeous is beside me. So we are the dynamic.
Oh, dynamic duos, yeah.
Okay. Now the next one. This is me, my gorgeous wife, and my two children when we were young, before their marriage and all those things.
When you were younger.
Yeah.
Right.
Elder one is
Younger.
Vidya.
This elder one is Vidya. The younger one with the specs is Sangeeta.
Okay.
Achha, Vidya and Sangeeta.
Very good.
Yeah. And this is me, and this is my girlfriend.
So you have a wife and a girlfriend. That's pretty good.
Yes. But he has got one wife and so many girlfriends. But known before I have not got married to him.
Okay. Now these are the Karnik. That is my elder son-in-law parents who are sitting.
Yeah.
Mr. Karnik, Shirish Karnik, Sharad Karnik, and Asha Karnik. The other one, the Sridhar, they are my younger daughter Sangeeta's in-laws, Mr. Sridhar and his wife.
Okay.
Okay. Samandhi.
Yeah.
Samandhi. Yes, Samandhi. So this is the elder daughter, son-in-law, and their two children, Arav and Anika.
Very nice. Beautiful
Where are
family.
they?
They are in Las Vegas.
They are in Vegas.
I could see the flag over there.
Yeah.
This is my younger daughter, Sangeeta and Vivek.
And down all four, both the son-in-law and both the daughters.
Let me guess, they're in Canada.
She's in Canada.
Yeah.
The elder one is in Canada.
Younger one is in Canada. Ontario. She's in Ontario.
I see the maple leaf over there.
Finance. He's working as a finance.
She's this second daughter. She's by profession. She's a journalist. She's now in CEO in media in an organization known as Peel, a branch of the Canadian government.
Okay.
And my son-in-law, he is into finance consultancy.
And my elder son-in-law.
And I forgot to tell you, my elder son-in-law is an aircraft maintenance engineer. Okay, now I go to the next. You guys had a good view of that?
Yes.
So this Cosmo is my younger daughter's dog, which
Lamb.
Got over.
and the right one is Gabbar,
Okay.
my elder daughter's favorite. No, I'm sorry.
Hey,
I
looks like Amjad Khan.
Amjad Khan.
From Sholay. From
Gabbar is
Sholay,
my
right?
second daughter's. Cosmo is the eldest daughter.
Elder
That is
ones.
Vegas.
That's it.
He looks like the
that's
dog
it.
from Omen. That's very pretty, very nice.
Good.
Very well put together.
Yes,
Thanks,
nice
Narayan.
pictures.
Thanks a lot. Very good presentation.
Good
Hariom.
slideshow.
Hariom.
Thank you.
Hario.
Hariom.
I've got a message from Sujata.
Uh-huh.
So
She
I
said
stopped
her-
sharing them, right?
Yeah, stop sharing now. So Sujata, if she wants to, yeah, she can share.
She says poor internet. So next time, and she wants me to convey her love to everybody.
Oh, good.
Okay,
Wonderful.
accepted.
She's also requested to fix another meeting next week, which I don't think may be possible. Not so soon.
Yeah, we'll try to maintain a monthly rhythm. So maybe
Yeah, monthly is fine.
Maybe
Yes.
in November,
fine.
middle of November.
Right.
Let's see.
Dilip, you can fix the date right now.
Yeah, tentative. That's what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
So how about the 15th of November,
15th, okay.
which is a
15th
Sunday?
is a Thursday. Yeah.
14th, 15th are Diwali days. So maybe
Oh, then let's not do that.
because
Then how about
Diwali.
how
week
about the
after
20,
Diwali. Hi, Sridhar.
22nd?
week before or 1 week later.
22nd?
Later.
November 22nd.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
That would be better because
No problem.
absolutely Diwali days maybe people will not come in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
22nd seems okay.
November
Yeah,
22nd. Okay, we'll just, and we won't have any theme. We'll just get together and chat. Okay.
Yeah.
Dilip, the elections would be over by then, na? US elections.
We are hoping we'll have a new president by then, but who knows?
Yeah.
We are going to have Donald and Mickey.
Okay, Sushil, you want to say, unmute yourself? Oh, he's not here, right? Sushil is not
He's
here.
not there.
He's not to be seen.
Yeah.
And he came earlier, then he called me and said he has some work. And he left the meeting.
So, Smita, it's good to see you after so many years.
Thank you, Dilip.
And same with Surekha. I haven't seen Surekha. All of you.
Surekha,
It's
after
been
so many
ages.
years.
Ages.
Ages.
Yeah.
Right?
We were so busy in our own families.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
I was
And now
just
is it-
telling the children that except Surekha and Jyoti, I haven't met anybody for all these years.
Yeah. It's been ages, really ages. So many of us, we don't recognize each other. I'm sure we must have passed somewhere around. But we, Anjali, after looking at you for some time, I said, I remember her.
And I had a similar feeling. I said, Surekha looks very familiar. I must have met her somewhere in Pune.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Even Nilima, we have been neighbors for so many years, but she's changed so much. Not seen the last 50 years.
Yeah.
Age has caught up with all of us.
Hey, so Richard, next time I come to Pune, I want that Christmas cake, your famous Christmas cake, okay?
Then you have to come around Christmas, no, Dilip?
No, he can make it anytime.
Now we should have one get together.
Richard, your audio is off.
No, he.
He's muted.
Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Richard,
let me know. You let me know a month in advance. I'll make it.
Yeah, you owe us a Christmas cake.
Yeah,
Fruit
because
cake.
I've got to soak the raisins, etc. And nice, good quality.
Not only
We should
for
have-
one person.
We should have all the Mumbaikars over in Pune.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, that will be a good idea.
Hopefully by end of November, the lockdown will be completely lifted, according to the health minister of Maharashtra.
I
So
think
maybe
now people
sometime
are
in
fed
December,
up.
January.
By November.
People are fed up of sitting at home.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So we have cancelled our trip in January. We are not coming. So maybe by Diwali time, if things are settled down, if we have a good vaccine, then we will come.
Nice. Forget the vaccine.
Diwali.
21.
It's not coming.
21.
21?
Yes,
You're talking about 21, Dilip?
21,
Yeah. See, normally Surekha, we come in January and we spend January through March in Mumbai. But we
Okay.
cancelled it for next year, next January.
Yeah, I go to America every 6 months.
Or do you?
I'm not. Yeah, my son is in Berkeley.
Berkeley,
So
yeah.
I go there for 6 months.
When you next go to America, Trump will not be there.
What will not be there?
Trump will not be there.
Being so hopeful.
Trump, he should not be there. Let's see. Keep our fingers crossed.
Yeah.
When is the next, Dilip? 16th of November?
22nd.
22nd. 20. I'll send out a note.
Yeah,
I'll send out a note on WhatsApp. 22nd. Apu,
Yeah, 2nd November.
yeah. How are you doing, Apu?
Yeah, doing fine here.
Doing fine. Good.
Appu, which part of Chennai you're staying?
Nungambakam.
Oh, acha. My daughter is in Alwarpet. I come there.
Okay.
So maybe next time try to meet.
Yeah, next time we'll meet.
So when will you relocate, Sampath? Have you decided? Or?
No, not this year. Maybe next year.
Okay, but not sure when.
No.
Who is a tennis fan?
Yeah.
Who?
French Open is very interesting.
Yeah, you're
Sorry?
watching that?
Yeah,
You're watching that?
Nadal and Djokovic were playing. I watched the first couple
Nadal
of
won the
sets.
first 2 sets. Third set also is leading.
Okay, so he's probably going to win. Yeah.
He's too good.
Yeah, he's master of clay.
Yeah.
Yeah, French Open, he
Hey,
always
Thomas.
wins.
Richard has started to drink, huh?
He's halfway
He
through.
will be late.
Richard is
Richard.
on his first drink or the second one?
Saturday drink, they're saying.
Saturday drink. I drink every day. Doctor, believe me, it is doctor's orders.
Okay.
Yeah. I drink
Can I
it
take,
for my
can
heart.
I take a leave, please? Can I take a
It's medicine.
I'm taking leave, please. Okay? See you
Sorry?
around
Me
20.
too.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
meeting.
Bye, Ranju.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye,
Meeting
Susmita.
everyone.
Okay.
Babu, Raju,
Bye-bye.
Richard,
Thanks,
Anjani.
Dilip, for organizing it.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.